Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I wanted to show you some of my favorite new garden decor products from English Gardens. Spring is upon us and our stores are bursting with some amazing new products for your garden and outdoor space. So many bright colors and joyful designs. I know we could all use a little bit of that right now. Product is just starting to arrive, but I wanted to highlight some of my favorite items so far. So how cool are these metal shovel heads? They are the perfect addition for your garden, by your plantings, will add a nice little touch, and I love their rustic finish. I am obsessed with these carved wooden trays here. The intricate design and detail is just amazing. There's a few different sizes to choose from, and these will look great on the patio this summer, but also inside right now on your coffee table even. And these adorable little boot vases, I think I'm gonna arrange some miniature flowers in them. So there's 3 different colors to choose from. And I have been waiting to get my hands on this pot here. I love the black and white modern design, the outlined faces. It is so cool. And it looks great in my apartment now and will look great outside too. And these sun catchers are just awesome. The beautiful stained glass coloring. I have some great windows in my apartment, so I'm really excited to get these hanging up. Got a butterfly, a bird, and a bee. And this adorable little tea light candle, can't forget. So tiny and cute, and will also look great on your patio or even inside. Now, another new item I was super excited about this season is the Plant Lady doormat. And we have a few other designs too. This one's perfect for my apartment. I have tons of houseplants inside, so I love it. And of course, these adorable pillows. We have You Are My Sunshine, and together is the best place to be. Super cute and a nice pop of color too. Could be used inside or out. And a garden flag is also a really simple garden decoration. And lots of cute sayings. We have our happy place, all you need is love. Really joyful and cheerful. I love those. And these porch boards are great too. They can stand or they can hang. And they're weatherproof and beautifully painted. So this one says Hello Spring. We also have a few that say Welcome To in different designs. And then of course, a gazing globe is a nice addition to your garden. And we have so many colors to choose from, truly something for everybody. I picked out this purpley blue one, and I love the celestial stand that it's on with the carved stars and sun and moon, super cool. And then sticking with that theme too, this galvanized moon and sun wall decor, very pretty, and also another thing that would look good inside or out. Now, solar lighting is a really simple way to add some ambiance to your outdoor space. So I picked up a few different items here. This first one is a solar light teardrop lantern, and these are really great. First of all, because this one hangs, and also this panel here picks up the sun's natural rays, and that gives this power to light up when it turns dark. So this is a really pretty modern design as well. And another option is this solar light flower spinner. So this I have here in my plant. Really, it can be a stake in your garden. And the same thing, the panel catches the sun's rays, and not only does it spin in the wind, but that center glass part also lights up at night. So those are really cool. I also picked out this Hummingbird Garland hanger. I just really loved the colors, and it matched with the wind spinner and also the gazing globe. And this wind spinner here is really nice because the sun catches those really pretty metallic colors, and that'll also spin in the wind just by itself. And last but not least, this rain chain. I just loved the look of this, and I love the sound that it makes too. It's really, really pretty. And these are just a few of the designs we have in these hanging garlands and wind chimes and wind spinners, and also solar lighting. There's so much more to choose from in the stores. Stop into any English Garden store today to check out all things spring and to add a little color to your life. Our inventory levels change frequently, and selection does vary by store. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.